Hello guys, it's Ammar Mahdi and you're watching Clutch and Shift's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi G Action camera. I imported it from China, from AliExpress.com. It cost me around $145. So here's the camera with the pink overlaid on the white box. It's in a black color because it's international version, and international version comes in only two colors, the white and the black. There is another version of Xiaomi, that is Chinese version, that comes in white and the lime green color. The packages include the data cable. It's about 4 inches long, can be used to transfer your videos from your camera to your PC, your laptop. Okay, what else is in the box is the leaflet. This is the greeting leaflet from Xiaomi. Xiaomi thanks to me for buying their product. Yes, this is the owner's manual where you can find the initial setup guide for your camera. This is the black Xiaomi 2K action camera. The maximum resolution with the maximum frame rates are the 1080p with 60 frames per second. These are the add-ons, the accessories that I bought that came with the camera. The camera cost me around $100 and the rest $45. These are the accessories. These all accessories are the original G accessories, and these are not the aftermarket. So here we go. First, this is the G monopod, that is known as the selfie stick. Yeah, it's in a black color. It has a remote button, remote control that controls your camera, video and photography mode. This is the guide how to connect a remote with your camera and how to extend this monopod. It has 5 steps. I'll review all the things one by one later on. This monopod cost me $30. It's of a good quality. Without this, I think the camera is nothing. So here is the big box. This is a bag. The rest of the accessories are in it. This bag is of original Xiaomi G. That's a nice handy bag with 2 zippers, and it's of a good quality. I think it's waterproof. This is the foam packaging. This is the floating grip. This is the external dual charger. This is a charging cable. You can see this can charge 2 batteries simultaneously, so you don't need to wait for one to get charged. These are the two tripod mounts. One is for the tripod and one is for the monopod. This is the extra battery. It's of 1100 mAh. This is the original Xiaomi G waterproof case. It's around $8 aftermarket. This is the 32 GB micro SD card. The camera doesn't have any memory, so you need to put a micro SD into it. Let's remove these foam pieces. All the accessories can be properly fit into these spaces. I would recommend you guys to buy this camera. The links are in description. One is for AliExpress.com and the other one is for Amazon.com. This is one of the best budget action cameras. The original battery is inside the camera. It's of 990 mAh. And that's it. That's all about the unboxing of G Action camera. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, like, comment and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.